friends, Tracy from Clever Monkey Graphics here, and I just wanted to give you a quick tour of how to find my store at sweetshopdesigns.com. There are several ways to go into it, and the way you go into it will show you different things. First of all, if you are the average scrapper and you just want to see personal use kits, and you want to see my collab kits as well that I create with other designers, because gosh, those are fun. Here's how you go in. Go shop by designer, go to my name and click. And here is my store. I like to search it by add date. By default, it comes up as alphabetical, so I click add date. There's my newest releases. And as I go down, what you start to see also is that we have my collabs as well with other designers. This is different than if you were to go in and just come down toward the bottom here under manufacturers and you were to click Clever Monkey Graphics. Let's go by add date again. And you start to go down. It's just my products. No collabs. So maybe you think I don't do any, but I do. And they are great. And this version also shows you what I make in commercial use, which sells to other designers or maybe someone who just doesn't want to have to say who made what they're using or whatever. Anyway, you can also see the commercial use through here. And you can look at new releases or you can shop by designer. And again, just go down to my name. There it is. There's everything by alphabetical or click add date and you've got it by add date. But once again, just as a summary, if you go through the shop by designer and then you go to the name, then you're going to find my kits and my collabs. If you go down under manufacturers and click my name, you're going to find my kits and my commercial use. Or come under commercial use, shop by designer, click my name, and you're going to find just my commercial use products. Hope this helps you. Have a great weekend. Bye.